Hi everybody, welcome to another IPO video. In this video, we are going to analyze IPO of Chemplast Sunmark Limited. Well, this company was incorporated in 1985 as Chemplast Sunmark Limited, and this company is into the business of manufacturing specialty chemicals, and this company has its operations in southern part of India. Now let us analyze the business model of the company. Basically, the company operates in these 6 segments. Now let us analyze each of these 6 segments one by one. Starting with the first segment, specialty paste PVC. Basically, this is a type of chemical which is used in the manufacturing of leather and leather products. Coming to second segment, custom manufacturing. Basically, under this segment, company manufactures specialty chemicals as per the specific requirements of the customer. All the chemicals that the company manufactures under this second segment are exported by the company, and the company generates 70% of its revenue from these 2 segments itself. Coming to the third segment, the company also manufactures caustic soda. This caustic soda which the company manufactures is supplied to textile companies and aluminum companies and companies which manufacture soaps. Basically, while manufacturing this caustic soda, a byproduct called as chlorine will be generated, and this chlorine is very difficult and also very costly to transport to other companies. Therefore, what the company will do is, by using this chlorine, it will manufacture another product called as chloromethane, which becomes its fourth product. Coming to fifth product, the company also manufactures hydrogen peroxide. These 3 products together generates 30% of revenue to the company, and the company has a wholly owned subsidiary by name Chemplast Cuddalore Vinyls Limited, shortly CCVL. This wholly owned subsidiary manufactures suspension PVC. Basically, this suspension PVC is used in the manufacturing of plastic pipes and various other plastic products. These are the various segments in which company operates. Now let us understand how the company generates its revenue. When you see this chart, the company generates 7,466 million by supplying specialty paste PVC, and 1,692 million by supplying custom manufacturing operations, that is specialty chemicals that we have discussed. And these 2 segments amounts to almost 71% of the company's total revenue, and balance 30% revenue comes from the remaining products. And the total revenue that the company has generated in financial year 21 is 12,883 million. Now let us see the competition that the company faces in its industry. We have seen that company generates its most of revenue from only single product, that is specialty paste PVC. We will see the competition that the company faces in this segment. Basically, in India, there are only 2 companies that manufacture this specialty paste PVC. The first company is our company, which is Chemplast Limited, which manufactures 66,000 tons of this specialty paste PVC. And the second company which manufactures is Phenolics Industries. This company manufactures 22,000 tons of specialty paste PVC. These companies both together manufacture around 80,000 tons of this PVC, whereas the demand for this specialty PVC in our India is 1,43,000 tons. That means the remaining is imported into India. Therefore, we can say that the company has a lot of scope for expansion in this segment, and the company has also started expanding its manufacturing facilities in this segment, which will be operational from financial year 24. Now let us understand the strengths that the company has. Basically, the company is the largest manufacturer of this specialty paste PVC in India. We can consider this as one of the positive points, and the company has 35 years of experience in this industry. Even this can be considered as a positive sign for the company. Coming to the risks that the company faces, the first risk is that we have discussed that the company has a wholly owned subsidiary, that is CCVL Limited, and this shares of this CCVL Limited are pledged with HDFC Bank. Basically, the company has taken a loan from this HDFC Bank, therefore it has pledged its shares. We can consider this as one of the risks that the company has. And coming to the second risk is that we have discussed that almost 70% of this company's revenue comes from only two products, and the two almost 50% of revenue comes from this specialty paste PVC. If let us say the demand for this PVC decreases, then the revenue of the company might reduce. We can consider this is one of the risk factor that the company faces. Now let us see the financial performance of the company. When you see this chart, the revenue of the company is constant in first 2 years, that is March 19 and March 20, whereas it has increased abnormally in March 21. In the same way, the profit has decreased from March 19 to March 20, whereas it has again abnormally increased in March 21. The reason is, we have discussed that the company has a wholly owned subsidiary by the name CCVL. The company has acquired this CCVL in March 21. It is obvious that if the company has acquired a subsidiary, then the revenues and profits of both the companies will be merged. That is the reason why the figures in March 21 have abnormally increased. Now let us see the objects of the issue. From the money raised through this IPO, company wants to repay its non-convertible debentures, and the second object is to utilize the money for general corporate purposes. Now coming to the decision whether to apply for this IPO or not, from the short term perspective, you can apply in this IPO for the purpose of listing gains. When we see from the long term perspective, there is a huge scope for this company for development. Therefore, this would be a good investment from a long term perspective as well. Now let us see the details of this IPO. Basically, this IPO is opening on 10th of August 2021 and will be closing on 12th of August 2021, and the issue size of this IPO is 3,850 crores, and the IPO price band is 530 rupees to 541 rupees per each share, and the lot size is 27 shares. Hope this information was useful to you, and that's it for today guys. Bye bye.